In road transport, an oversized load, or overweight load, is a load that exceeds the standard or ordinary legal size and or weight limits for a truck to convey on a specified portion of road, highway, or other transport infrastructure, such as air freight or water freight. In Europe, it may be referred to as special transport or heavy and oversized transportation. May be load per axle limits. However, a load that exceeds the per axle limits, but not the overall weight limits, is considered overweight. Examples of oversized overweight loads include construction machines, cranes, front loaders, backhoes, etc., pre-built homes, containers, construction elements, bridge beams, generators, windmill propellers, rocket stages, industrial equipment. The legal dimensions and weights vary between countries and regions within a country. A vehicle which exceeds the legal dimensions usually requires a special permit, which requires extra fees to be paid in order for the oversized overweight vehicle to legally travel on the roadways. The permit usually specifies a route the load must follow as well as the dates and times during which the load may travel. When a load cannot be dismantled into units that can be transported without exceeding the limitations in terms of the dimensions and/or mass, it is classified as an abnormal load. Another definition can be summarized as following: an abnormal indivisible load, AIL, is one which cannot be divided into two or more loads for transporting on roads. Any road transport is framed by the CMR Convention on the Contract for the International Carriage of Goods by Road, which relates to various legal issues concerning transportation of cargo, predominantly by lorries, by road. payload shifting is prohibited by law, and it is the responsibility of the shipper, motor carrier, driver, receiver, and the securing device manufacturer to ensure that the cargo is completely secured. Next, in a specific country, the ropes are built in a way that allows a vehicle with dimensions within the standard legal limits to safely, though not necessarily easily, drive and turn. Ropes that do not allow large vehicles may be marked with the traffic signs. These may include per axle load, height, width, or overall length limits. Next, heavy transport companies tend to focus on renewables, civil and infrastructure, offshore, oil and gas, heavy engineering, and power generation industries. Other companies across Europe have also collaborated to form the Route to Space alliances, specifically for providing specialist logistics for AILs in the aerospace and astrospace industries.